Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Binance on your desktop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into Binance on your desktop, open up a web browser. In the address field at the top of the screen, type in www.binance.com and press enter. You'll find yourself in the home page of Binance, which looks like this. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the register button at the top right hand and follow the instructions. To log into your account, click on the login link right next to the register button, and on the next page, you'll be able to see your login area. You can either enter an email address and a password to log into your account, or you can also click on the mobile tab at the top and type in your mobile number and then your password to log in. In today's video, I'm going to type in my email address and my password, so let me go ahead. Type in your email address in the first text box. Make sure to type in a valid email address and head over to the password text field and type in the correct password for your account. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. In case you've forgotten your password and you don't remember it, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you're done filling in your information is correct, click on the login button in order to log in to your Binance. Complete the puzzle piece in order to move forward. As soon as you do that, you'll be logged into your Binance account, quick and easy using the desktop. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.